Do you regret it? Becoming a witcher?
It's hard to regret something you didn't choose.
Not often do we see your likeness here in Blaviken.
Not many of my likeness left.
People call you a monster too.
A mutant.
What if they come after you? Attack you?
They have.
Why not kill them?
Because then, I am what they say I am. If I have to choose between one evil and another, then I prefer not to choose at all. I'm not killing anyone. Not over the petty squabbles of men.
Yes. You never get involved. Except you actually do, all of the time.
I claim the tradition as you have. The lore of surprise.
Tell me, Witcher, you don't believe in destiny or the lesser evil. What do you believe in?
You mean, who do I believe? I don't pick sides.
You just kill monsters.
If you dismiss it, leave without claiming this child's surprise, you will surely unleash true calamity.
The girl in the woods will be with you always. She's your destiny.
It takes generations of erosion to even make a dent in stellar-side distance. This is a scientific revelation.
You know how many have been killed in pursuit of her?
Thousands, yes, I know.
She has elder blood. She's a fucking tinderbox.
I know I can help her. I brought her here so she'd be safe.
What if your princess is more than you bargained for?
I know that already.
There are forces at play larger than we know. You are a part of her. She a part of you.
A drop of her blood could change the world. In the wrong hands, she will destroy it.
If mages and royals find out she's still alive and what she's capable of, they won't stop coming for her.
The wild hunt's riding over the horizon. I saw them myself, riding their skeletal horses across the southern sky. A portent of doom.
Witches don't kill out of fear. They kill to save lives.
The bond that will come into being between you and this child, when it is born, will be extraordinary.